We offer pressure washing cleaning services in Logan and surrounding suburbs. Do you have a property that you're selling and wanting that street appeal before you sell? Do you have a dirty driveway covered in dirt and grime? Do you need all of your concrete areas cleaned? We use the very best in commercial pressure washing equipment, ensuring that every individual surface that we clean is cleaned efficiently, effectively, and to the very highest of professional standards, with spotless finishes and color restorations guaranteed. We are your trusted local pressure washing company.